Hi there. I just wanted to hop on and share with you these shoes that I was gifted by the brand Shoe Look. So thank you so much to Shoe Look for sending these to me. These are going to be a great pair of shoes for walking my little puppy Midge the Morkie. They are super comfortable. They have lots of cushioning in them. They're just a great walking shoe. I do lots of trails and beaches and stuff with Midge, so I think these will be perfect. The nice black color is great. Yeah, you just can't beat them for that. And if you are somebody that struggles with putting on your shoes and tying them up, they're just a great, easy slip on and go. So I love them. The only thing I will caution you about is if you are in between sizes, I would probably recommend sizing down with these ones. I'm a 7.5, these are a 7.5, and while they do fit, I probably could have gone one size smaller, being that they're a little bit loose. With a thick sock or whatever, they'll be fine, but that's just something to keep in mind if you are in between sizes. Definitely don't size up, size down on these ones. And thanks again to Shoe Look for sending them to me.